SAP CRM. And this is the first entry into our top 10 list that really focuses on CRM capabilities for larger organizations and larger sales teams. So if you're an organization that has a big or complex sales cycle, this product can be great for managing territories and commissions and sales plans. It also has capabilities that will track marketing and customer service, as well as contracts and billing. So it's a fully integrated suite of capabilities that, again, focuses not just on managing the sales in the pipeline, but also on managing the sales force, the sales team, and all the capabilities that go along with that, as well as customer service and marketing. More of a true customer experience type of product versus a pure CRM type of solution. And by the way, that's one thing to note, is that many of these systems are migrating from a sales automation tool to more of an overall customer experience type of tool. And that's what you see and that's what you get with SAP CRM. Now, the downside of SAP CRM is it can be overkill for a lot of organizations. Unless you're a big organization with a complex and big global sales team, SAP CRM is probably going to be overkill for you. So in those cases, you may want to look at some of the other options in our top 10 list that are more focused for the small to mid-market. But for those larger global organizations with big global sales teams, SAP CRM can be a great option. Oracle CRM is part of Oracle's overall customer experience module or capability. And they're one of the vendors, much like SAP, that is really investing in the overall customer experience and looking at how their product can enhance and optimize all the different touch points that a customer may have with your organization, from the time they first reach out to you until they sign up with you to become a customer, through the time that they're an actual customer and getting serviced by your organization. Now, much like SAP, Oracle CRM can also handle territories, commissions, sales plan, and forecast, those sorts of sales management capabilities. But one of the things that's unique to Oracle, and one thing that Oracle CRM is very strong in, is something called Configure, Price, Quote, or CPQ capability. So if you're an engineering type of organization, or let's say you manufacture products that are make-to-order, they're complex engineer-to-order, make-to-order products, the CPQ module will allow you to feed your sales staff with availability of different parts and products that might go into an end solution. It'll allow them to create a quote based on a configured solution, and allow them to price out the solution based on the different components or the different choices that your customers may have. So if that's the type of organization you are, where you have a complex make-to-order type of product that's custom to each individual customer, Oracle CRM can be a great fit. Another cool thing that Oracle CRM does is it looks for signals in your pipeline. It looks for behavioral signals of what your prospects are doing that might trigger a need to reach out to them, and they use artificial intelligence and machine learning to identify patterns or signals that might trigger some sort of outreach from your sales staff. So that's an example of a vendor being on the forefront of technology as it relates to CRM, to use the technology not just to track things that you used to track on paper or in your head, but also to anticipate what buyers might be doing and when the right times might be to reach out to them. Now, Oracle is a flexible product, but the downside of being flexible is that if you're looking for standardization and you really want to tighten up your sales operations and go for something a little bit more common or standardized, a product like SAP is probably going to be stronger, and some of the other products in our top 10 list might be stronger in terms of enforcing standardization. But if you're looking for something that's flexible, can tie into a broader ERP system that Oracle also provides, and you're looking for a breadth of CRM and customer experience capabilities, Oracle CRM is one that you might consider.